AI agents might sound like something from a sci-fi movie, but they're a lot closer to home than you might think. These are software programs that cleverly interact with their environment, all on their own, to achieve specific goals they're programmed to reach. Now you might wonder, where do these AI agents pop up in your daily life? Well, they're all around us. When you use a digital assistant like Siri or Alexa to check the weather or play your favorite tune, you're interacting with an AI agent. Or consider smart home devices that adjust your thermostat based on your habits and preferences. Yep, that's them too. And let's not forget those uncannily accurate shopping recommendations you get while browsing online. Behind each of these conveniences is an AI agent, working tirelessly to make your life easier. So, what makes these AI agents so special? A few key characteristics set them apart. First, they have autonomy, which means they can make their own decisions without a human holding their hand through every step. They're also all about perception. These agents can sense their environment, gather data, and process information in real time. Decision-making is another critical feature. AI agents analyze the data they collect to make choices that help them reach their goals. And speaking of goals, goal-oriented behavior is their game. They're not just randomly operating. Every action they take is a step towards achieving a predefined objective. How do AI agents work? Ever wondered how AI agents seem to magically know what to do? Let's peel back the curtain and see how these digital geniuses work their magic through something called the perception-thought-action cycle. It's quite the show. First off, the perception stage is where the AI agent uses its senses, much like you use your eyes and ears, to pick up information from the world around it. This could be anything from detecting your voice with a microphone, scanning internet data, or using a camera to see physical objects. It's all about gathering the raw data they need to make smart decisions. Once our AI agent has all this data, it moves into the thought phase. This isn't just any old thinking. It's supercharged computing power crunching numbers and patterns to make sense of what it's perceived. One of the major hurdles for AI agents is effectively testing them to ensure correct performance, which is crucial for improvement. The agent analyzes this data, looking for trends or useful information, much like solving a puzzle before deciding what piece to place where. Now comes the exciting part: action. Once the AI agent has a plan, it springs into action. This could mean sending you a traffic update, adjusting your thermostat, or even suggesting that new coffee maker you've been eyeing online. Whatever the task, the agent executes it, aiming to achieve the best outcome based on its analysis. To keep improving, AI agents constantly learn from the outcomes of their actions, tweaking and adjusting to be even more helpful next time. Imagine a simple animation showing a circle moving seamlessly from perception to thought to action, then looping back as it learns and adapts. This visual helps us grasp the continuous, dynamic nature of AI agents as they perceive, decide, and act in a cycle that's as rhythmic as it is remarkable. They're not just working, they're evolving. The revolutionary impact of AI agents. AI agents are not just a buzzword, they're revolutionizing our world. From healthcare to finance to manufacturing, these savvy digital helpers are transforming industries and personal lives in extraordinary ways. Let's dive into how they're doing this and why it's super exciting. In healthcare, AI agents are like the tech-savvy doctors of your dreams. They help analyze patient data faster than ever, predicting and diagnosing diseases with jaw-dropping accuracy. Imagine a world where your health risks are identified early by an intelligent system that works alongside your doctor, giving you a better shot at preventive care. That's the power of AI agents in healthcare. Moving over to finance, these agents are like your personal financial advisors, always on duty. They can analyze market trends and manage investments with such precision that even seasoned traders take notice. Ever received a fraud alert from your bank? Yep, that's an AI agent tirelessly monitoring transactions to keep your money safe, ensuring peace of mind in your financial dealings. In the realm of manufacturing, AI agents streamline operations by predicting maintenance needs and optimizing production schedules. They're the unseen force keeping factories running smoothly, minimizing downtime, and boosting efficiency. This means cheaper products and faster production times for us all. On a personal level, AI agents make everyday decisions and lifestyle adjustments a breeze. From suggesting the quickest routes to work to recommending movies you might like, they're becoming integral to how we organize our lives, ensuring we spend less time deciding and more time enjoying. This revolution is just beginning, and the impact of AI agents is set to grow, making our lives more connected and intuitive. Why the urgency? Why the rush to get cozy with AI agents? Simply put, AI technology is sprinting ahead, and getting on board early could turbocharge your career, investments, and daily productivity. Let's break down why you can't afford to wait. Firstly, the speed at which AI technology is evolving is mind-blowing. New advancements are popping up faster than you can click refresh. By keeping up, you position yourself at the forefront, ready to harness the latest tools and innovations that can skyrocket your professional life and personal efficiency. Now think about the perks of being an early adopter. Imagine mastering AI tools before they become mainstream. You'll not only enhance your own productivity, but also become the go-to expert in your field or community. This can lead to better job opportunities, smarter investments, and a lifestyle that feels like you're living in the future. Lastly, there's a bigger picture to consider: the ethical and social implications of AI. As these technologies shape our world, staying informed lets you engage meaningfully in crucial debates and influence policies that affect how AI is used in society. It's about being a responsible citizen in an AI-driven world. Challenges and concerns. While diving into the world of AI agents is thrilling, it's not without its challenges and concerns that we must navigate. Let's explore some hurdles that keep things interesting. First up, privacy and security. As AI agents collect and analyze mountains of data to work their magic, the looming question is our information safe? The potential for misuse is real. Sensitive data could be mishandled or fall into the wrong hands, leading to serious privacy breaches. Vigilance and robust security measures are a must to protect our digital lives. Then, there are the ethical dilemmas. Imagine machines making decisions about hiring or lending money. Sounds convenient, right? But what if these AI systems develop the same biases that humans work hard to overcome? Or consider automation. It boosts efficiency, but also raises fears about job losses. Balancing technological advances with their impact on real people is a tightrope walk we need to master. Lastly, there's the complexity and accessibility of AI. These systems can be as perplexing as they are powerful, making them seem out of reach for many. We need clear, simple explanations and education to help everyone, from school kids to CEOs, understand and leverage AI effectively. How can you get involved? Ready to dive into the exciting world of AI agents? Here's how you can get involved and start making waves. Firstly, education is key. The internet is bursting with resources to fuel your learning. Sign up for online courses, attend workshops, and catch seminars, many of which are free. Websites like Coursera and Udemy offer fantastic beginner to advanced courses that can turn you into an AI whiz in no time. Next, don't go it alone. Join the community. Tech forums and AI community groups are great spaces to share ideas, solve problems, and meet like-minded enthusiasts. Platforms like Reddit, Stack Overflow, and LinkedIn groups are buzzing with discussions and insights that can enhance your understanding and network. Finally, get hands-on. Experiment with AI tools and apps. Play around with AI-powered software or build your own simple AI models using platforms like Google AI or IBM Watson. Nothing beats learning like doing, and who knows, you might just create something revolutionary. And there you have it, a tour into the world of AI agents. From understanding their mechanics to navigating their challenges, I hope you're as excited about the potential of AI as I am. So what will your first step be in engaging with AI? Drop a comment below. Hit that like button if you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of technology. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.